I wasn't sure what to expect. I've worked with Claire on several projects before, and we did talk and kind of brief up on the way up to see what it was that we were going to be going into. And we had heard that the sheriff at the jail was working with, Albany Law School and different volunteers to be able to assist the ICE detainees that are held at the jail. So we knew that it wasn't going to be a resistant environment, but we didn't know how many or who or what was going to be the process to be able to see somebody.
For the individuals who are here in Albany and in other detention facilities around the United States, it meant that they said that they were afraid to go back to their home country. So once an individual does that, then by law that person is supposed to be given a credible fear interview. So that means that the person would have to show that there's some sort of possibility, it's a very low standard actually, a reasonable possibility that they could succeed on an asylum claim. So it's not a full asylum interview, it's not a full hearing, it's basically a mini asylum interview to see if they could have a successful case if they were to go forward with a full interview.
So we just kind of explained to them what we were there to do, and we were there to, do their intake to prepare them for their credible fear interview, and there to answer any questions that they had related to their immigration status.
My takeaway is that access to counsel is super important, right? Because these men had been detained since early June in various detention facilities and had had no access to counsel. Now, Barbie already asked me if we were taking cases from the guys there and how that's going to work. There were a couple who were looking at coming to the New York area. A lot had no connection, right? Most had no connection to New York, where I think Maryland, Baltimore was going to be the closest place, or Houston, wherever else in the United States where they had a family member or a friend where they could stay. So for those who are staying, sure, we're happy to consider it. Our New York Law School alumna Judy Lee was nice enough to host me in her home, and so to be able to go up there and to provide the service, which is truly invaluable for people who are detained that have no information about what's going on.
I'm grateful for the school being able to give me the opportunity, Professor Thomas, being able to work with the immigrants and putting what I have learned in the classes to practice, because I do plan on, once I graduate, being an immigration attorney. So just being able to be there and do the work was great for me.